Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back. Today I will review the Tailor of all Bond Street sandalwood shaving soap that I've been using now for a while. This is a soap you can buy for around 13 euros as a refill, and if you like to have it with this wooden bowl, it costs a lot more. It costs about 25-26 euros. Anyway, the scent of this soap is fantastic. It's very strong and exotic, sweet scented sandalwood and cedarwood. But it's still a very fresh scent with notes of summer flowers like lavender, roses and citrus. I personally like this smell very much. It's also very easy to lather this soap, and I've been showing you how to do that. I have my synthetic fiber brush here, and I just take out a little bit of the water so it's only damp. And I had hot tap water in here before, so it warms up the bowl a little bit. You just start to load your brush. It's always good to load the brush upside down like this. And you don't have to press so much. It loads very easy. As you can see, I'll be taking off a little bit here to the bowl. Because if you load it upside down like this, the soap come into the bristles much better. You can do this, it depends on the soap, but usually you don't have to load the brush more than maybe 20 seconds to 30 seconds, it will be more than enough. I think I have enough here to make a good lather, as you can see. I poured out the water, so it's only a little bit of residue of water down here, a few drops maybe. And that's how you're gonna start. Then you just let the brush do the work. Don't press. It's a lot of air bubbles, big air bubbles from the beginning, and we don't want that, so we continue swirling around the brush. Doesn't take long, a minute or two, and you will have a fantastic lather. You see the air bubbles already gone. It's a few left. If you continue swirling around, your lather will be more dense. It should contain a little bit of small air bubbles, because if it's no air bubbles, it's too dense and it will not be wet enough on your face. Here we have a perfect lather. It's thick and it's shiny with tiny air bubbles. Look at the peaks completely perfect lather. It's very slick. Perfect to apply to your face now. This soap can actually take a lot of water. I've been trying out with adding water along the shaves between the passes, because and it can take it without no problem. Actually, before your third pass you may need to add a little bit water, because it can dry out on you, the lather. I think this is a soap well worth the money if you like sandalwood scent. It's easy to lather and it gives you a very good cushion and slickness. So that was my little review for today. Hope you like it. Take care and give a thumbs up, please. Bye bye.